Alright, so regular cards. 4 and then a banger. Yo, the SSR. Alright, that's nasty. Oh, SSR. Guy Naruto giving you the thumbs to the side. A toad. The SR got you. Fuck my guy Yeti, bro. I appreciate you going in. Yo! The OR! Oh my god, that looks nasty. Holy shit, bro. That looks absolutely incredible. Is that Gara? I was gonna say, but it kind of looks a little different. It looks like he's like strung out, right? Is this Gara off pills or something? Gara's dad. Oh my god, so it's him. Yeah, it makes more sense. Oh, holding the little pig. That's fire. Gara off Wish. Yo! My guy Problem Child with the follow. I appreciate that follow. I didn't know you can sell on Twitch. Can you? Yeah, absolutely, Problem Child. Yo, that's nasty. Is that the Oriki or? Yeah. Looking for that Hinata, right? The SSR. Homie's got the headpiece on. Yo, the SSR. The SSRs are nice too. Oh my god, he's eating a bowl of ramen. That's sick. And the SR. Okay. There's one. What a Hinata. Oh wait, is that your girl Hinata? Is that who that is? Ooh, the SR Naruto, bro. My guy's biting on homegirl's thing. Oh my god, is that what's happening? She's making him bite on the scroll. Hey, Hoodie Mang. A lot of arms. Gonna open my box after Narrow? Alright. Yo, I forgot about that. For 50 packs, it seems like it'll go by pretty quick. Just glad I know what to sleeve and not. Yo, homie with the SSR, or the SR, I apologize. Rare. Okay. Yo, he slumped, my guy said. Is it a thickie, bro? Do they exist? No. The SR. The doggo. She's smiling. She knows there's big hits coming up. Yo! Oh my god, that card is disgusting. Yo! Oh my fucking god, that looks so beautiful. The CP. He said he hit one, bro. This guy, that is so nasty. Oh my god, that is such a fucking beautiful card. That is a beautiful card, dude. Holy shit. The detail on it, bro. Look at all the gold, dude. And then the gloves and like, oh my god, the hair, the headband. Ugh, that is nasty. Like I said, if you hit the CP, that's that. Yeah, well, there it is. That's what we do here. Ah. Yo, the UR. Oh my god, that is nasty. That is a dope ass card. That's a beautiful. The UR is nasty, bro. What? Son Goku. Those two are a tribute to DBZ? Come on, bro. That's nasty. It's so like, oh my god, these cards are really nice. Okay. It's a four-tailed beast as a tribute to the four-star ball Goku had from his grandpa Gohan. Yeah, I agree. Hope you're having a good night, Danny. Yo! That's a sick-looking SSR. That's a chick you pulled in the, That's that chick, bro. Yo, that's homegirl, right? Is there gonna be like a UR, like a, oh my god, there she is again. Yo, the SR, will she be on like an SR, an SSR or something? TP, okay. Bro, that'd be insane. Got the thumbs to the side. Okay, the SR. Yo, my guy with the fucking hands, bro, doing the cross. Guy Naruto. Man gives no fucks. Yo, my guy just waving off. This guy looks like he's playing Realm Royale in that one little spot, dude. What the heck? Oh. The SR. That boy's nasty. I don't know who that is. Oh, another Hinata. The Naruto. Yo, the SSR. That's dope. There ain't as many SSRs, but there's still a few. That's 25 down. Yo, the sick shirt. Yo, that boy. I think that's the first one we pulled. That's still a banger card. This is the problem though, like I don't think I could, I mean I'd love to sell packs of these, but it's gonna be the same as like a hobby box scenario, bro. You hit that hit. Like if somebody were to pull that CP, everybody shook as fuck, dude. So like you just gotta sell it as a box. Unless I guess I had fucking 50 of them, right? And then I could mix another one in. I'm not mad at that too, so that could be an option down the road. Yo, the OR! Oh my god, that's nasty. I don't think that's the girl, but that looks sick. Look at that jacket, bro. Maja or Madara, my guy said. Look at that, like red, dude. So much detail. I said, holy, look at that jacket. Officially sold out, and I did not grab it, my guy said. Yo, the OR, that still ain't homegirl, bro, but that's a sick ass card. Oh my god. Sheesh. Ren, my guy said, that's fire. But the ORs are so good. That is beautiful, bro. The texture on these cards, like nobody knows until they get them. And then you guys get these cards and you're like, oh damn, them cards are fire. Like Jace I guess knows because he has some of them, but like texture is very, very detailed. Like even these cards shit on most like Pokemon cards, right? Oh, the SSR. You need homegirl. Big card for Yeti. Yo, the SSR. That's a beautiful card. What the hell? It's just an SSR too. Wow, wow, wow. Boy Naruto. Eating the ramen. Yo, there he is doing the headband thing. Alright. These cards are so nasty. Yeah, they're really good. I hope we can pull a nice one of your girl, dude. That's really what I'm trying to see. Need them eyes, or I need to see them eyes or the lack thereof. I'm looking on eBay. Looks like there's some pretty nice CRs you can pull. Yeah, but those are the hardest ones, right? But there might be more Hinata up to like 60, 70. Oof, homie's touching. Yo, where's Rojo? He's saying, bro, I'll touch the earth. Nah, the Sakura CP wasn't it? What do you mean? That's not the big hit? Yo! Oh my god, that is nasty, bro. Yo! Oh my god, the SSR Naruto. I don't know which version it is. That's a sick ass card. Sage mode. My guy said they were looking for him in Sage mode the other day too. He's touching the earth. Dude, where's my guy Rojo, bro? All these people are pulling off his move. Ah. Oof. Guy in the SR, is that Hanada's boy with the no eyes? White eyes? Bruh, Naruto packs, my guy Barry said. Eat! It's going down, Barry. Neji's dad, my guy said. Homegirl's geeked. Yo! Oh my god, that is fucking fire. What? Yo! Oh my god, that is nasty, bro. That's not her though, is it? He said this box is cracked, bro. Oh my god, that's Orochimaru. Okay. Yeah. I didn't get enough of these really, but I just... Ooh, that's nasty. The UR. Give me a couple weeks, dude. Get more. I gotta order waifu cards too, because they haven't sent me my boxes. Should've sniped the wave 4 when I had the chance. Wait, what? What did I just do? I don't know what I just did. Showing off cards, you know. Yo, the Naruto. Piggy. Yo, the SSR. I don't know, remember what this dude's name is. That looks sick. Reminds me of a DBZ card. Okay. Ah, shit, I'm showing it. Girl. Another Hinata, though. Like I said, I saw the box in shop, but it took too long. Jace got it. Are you saying earlier today, Yeti? Because I put him in before I got on, and I made sure to hit Jace up, because obviously I got these for him, so... Move the double Naruto, but I just let him get the 2 that he wanted or whatever, and then... Yeah, Yeti saw him? Oh my god. Almost sniped me. He said, yeah, I've been checking. Oh my god. Well, I guess I gotta keep you in the loop too, bro. But I'll get... There will come a time, bro. Unless, like I say... If you guys were interested in pre-ordering, bro, I can list the boxes and you can buy... I could like unrestrict them and you can buy as many as you want. And when you buy them, I will go buy, you know what I mean? Like I can immediately put in an order. That's a possibility too. So like one day if you're like, bro, I want like 5 of them shits or like this or that, like, I don't know. My guy, what is this? This is Kakashi or whatever the fuck his name is. He said, I know, I know. Hey. Alright, one more pack left in this first box. I'll be honest, I don't know, like, these boxes are fire, but they take so, like, 50 packs is a lot of fucking packs, let's just be honest, and this one's already peaking. Yo, the UR! Oh my god, that looks so fucking sick, bro. Killer B, my guy said. I don't know shit about these cats, bro.